Are you struggling to focus during meditation? Does your mind wander away, leaving you feeling frustrated and unsure? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Many of us, especially those just starting on their meditation journey, often grapple with maintaining focus. It's as if our minds have a life of their own, constantly pulling us away from the calm we so desperately seek. This struggle, however, is not an indication of failure. Quite the opposite. It's a testament to the challenge, the beauty that is meditation. Even the most seasoned meditators occasionally find their minds wandering off. The key lies not in achieving absolute focus, but in embracing this struggle, in gently guiding our minds back every time they wander. There's no such thing as a bad meditation. Every moment you spend in meditation, regardless of how focused you think you were, is a step forward on this journey. Remember, meditation is not a destination, but a journey. The struggle to focus is part of the process. Now that we've reassured you that losing focus is normal, let's move on to 3 crucial steps that can help improve your focus during meditation. Step 1. Embrace the wandering mind. It's natural for your mind to wander, especially when you're just starting out with meditation. Don't see it as a setback or an enemy to combat. Instead, acknowledge it. When you notice your mind has wandered off, gently and without judgment, guide your attention back to your point of focus. This could be your breath, a mantra, or even the sensation of your body against the chair. Each time you do this, you're essentially working out your focus muscle, making it stronger for future meditations. Step 2. Implement mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present and engaged in the current moment. It's not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. Rather, it's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you're meditating and a thought pops up, don't push it away or get frustrated. Simply notice it, acknowledge it, and let it pass like a cloud in the sky. This acceptance and non-judgmental observation is a key aspect of mindfulness and can greatly enhance your ability to focus during meditation. And finally, step 3. Practice regularly. Just like any other skill, meditation and focus require practice. Don't be disheartened if you find it difficult initially. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad meditation session. Each time you sit to meditate, regardless of how distracted you might feel, you're making progress. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the better you'll get at staying focused. Even if it's just 5 minutes a day, make it a part of your routine. Over time, you'll find it easier to maintain focus, and you'll start to experience the profound benefits of meditation. By embracing these steps, you will gradually notice an improvement in your focus during meditation. Now that you know the steps to improve your focus, it's time to empower yourself through consistent practice. This journey towards greater focus and clarity doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to remember that. It's about nurturing a habit, a daily commitment to yourself. The beauty of meditation is that there's no such thing as a bad session. Some days, your mind may wander more than others, and that's perfectly okay. It's part of the process. Each time you gently bring your attention back, you're strengthening your mental muscles. Regular practice of meditation can bring a sense of calmness and clarity, reducing stress and enhancing your overall well-being. Imagine a life where you're less reactive, more mindful, and fully present. That's the power of meditation. Remember, the power to improve your focus in meditation lies within you. Practice consistently, be patient, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Before we wrap up, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on mastering meditation. By subscribing, you'll be kept in the loop with our latest content, designed to provide valuable insights to enhance your meditation practice. From improving focus to fostering mindfulness, we're here to guide you on your journey of personal growth. We believe that everyone can benefit from the power of meditation, and our goal is to make this transformative practice accessible to all. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the journey to improved focus and clarity is a continuous one, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Have a great day and happy meditating.